Welcome to Networks Professional, the Cisco Networking Academy.
Discuss hacking concepts and hacker classes. You need to learn the basic hacking concepts to understand the attacker's perspective in
Hacking attempts.
This section helps you in understanding the behavior of a hacker. This section deals with basic concepts of hacking. What is hacking, who is a hacker, and different hacker classes.
What is hacking?
Hacking in the field of computer security refers to exploiting system vulnerabilities and compromising security controls to gain unauthorized or inappropriate access to system resources.
It involves modifying system or application features to achieve a goal outside its creator's original purpose. Hacker classes/threat actors. Hackers usually fall into one of the following categories, according to their activities: black hats, white hats, gray hats, suicide hackers, script kiddies. Who is a hacker? A hacker is a person who breaks into a system or network without authorization to destroy, steal sensitive data, or perform malicious attacks. A hacker is an intelligent individual with excellent computer skills, along with the ability to create and explore the computer's software and hardware. Cyber terrorists, state-sponsored hackers, hacktivist, hacker teams, industrial spies, insiders, criminal syndicates, organized hackers. Thanks for watching Networks Professionals.